Today, we're diving into a full review of AI ReelVolt, Viral Reels DFY bundle. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this. Don't miss out. Start posting today. This offer expires soon. Get access to AI ReelVolt, your shortcut to engagement and earnings. Perfect for content creators who want to grow fast without editing stress. These reels are optimized for short-form platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Just download, post, and watch your reach grow. How AI ReelVolt solves your content struggles. Struggling to earn despite daily posting? AI ReelVolt gives you 2,000 plus viral-ready reels designed to grow your audience and income. Low engagement, no brand deals, flat growth. Post Ultra HD, scroll-stopping reels that boost visibility and attract brand partnerships. Tired of endless editing, scripting, and filming? Save time and money with high-performing, copyright-safe AI reels, no shooting or editing needed. Watching others grow while you feel stuck? Use these reels as your shortcut to consistent growth and earn some good revenue. No team, no strategy, no content pipeline? One powerful bundle. 2,000 plus reels. Post daily, earn monthly, no guesswork required. Social proof speaks louder than promises. Check these out. AI ReelVolt by @Aaron Collections is a total game changer. I used 15 of these reels last week and gained over 1,200 new followers on Instagram, without spending a single buck on ads. The best part, I didn't have to edit them. I'm not a video editor, I run an online store. But with AI ReelVolt, I just downloaded and posted a few reels, and my engagement tripled in less than a week. This is seriously worth it. Thanks @Aaron Collections for this wonderful product. I have been creating content for clients for years, and this is by far the most time-saving bundle by @Aaron Collections I have come across. The reels are professional, watermark-free, and highly engaging. My clients love them. Built by experts. Designed for your growth. These ready-made reels are created by top Instagram and social media experts. It took years of experience to create this powerful collection. Others sell similar bundles for $2.97, plus you get it today for just $14.95. Buy. Download. Upload. Watch your reach and engagement 10x. Grab it now before the price goes up. Lifetime access. For just $14.95, it's a no-brainer. Boost your reach, followers, and engagement, and save hundreds in content creation costs. Instant download included. Unlock these exclusive bonuses, only when you act now. Bonus number 1, Instagram Growth Mastery. Discover proven strategies, content hacks, and monetization tips to grow your Instagram fast. Ideal for beginners, influencers, and business owners ready to level up their presence. Included free when you grab AI ReelVolt today. Bonus number 2, Instagram Reels Cover. Create eye-catching Instagram Reel covers in minutes. These Canva templates are designed to help you design stunning, scroll-stopping covers with just a few clicks, no graphic design experience needed. Included free when you grab AI ReelVolt today. Bonus number 3, 5,000 plus motivational quotes images. This massive bundle of 5,000 plus motivational quote images is perfect for daily Instagram posting, boosting engagement, and growing your personal brand. Whether you're a content creator, coach, or business owner, you'll never run out of high-quality, scroll-stopping content to motivate and connect with your audience. Included free when you grab AI ReelVolt today. Bonus number 4, YouTube Secrets 2.0 Mastery. Unlock cutting-edge strategies to grow, rank, and monetize your YouTube channel. Master content creation, SEO techniques, and revenue tactics used by top creators. Included free when you grab AI ReelVolt today. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.